How to get anonymous questions on Instagram. So you can get anonymous questions in the Instagram app via the NGL app. So open your app store, search for the NGL, and then click on install. When the installation process is done, open the application and then enter in your Instagram handle. After this, it will automatically generate an anonymous message link. Tap the copy link option and then open the Instagram app. What you would want to do here is to tap on the plus icon to add the story. Choose a photo from your camera roll and then tap on the sticker icon here at the top. Search and select the link sticker, and lastly, just paste the copied URL from the NGL app. After doing that, hit on the post. Now just wait for your followers to go to the link and ask you anonymous questions and messages. So that is how to get anonymous questions on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.